Hello friends, today we will be learning about how to find the equation of a straight line. When I say straight line, they are also called linear equation. Okay, so in our first example, if I have two coordinates given, let's suppose 2 comma 3 and 7 comma minus 2. If this is these are the two coordinates given, and I need to find the equation of a straight line passing through these two coordinates. So first of all, I know that the equation of a straight line, there are two forms of equation of a straight line. One is y equals mx plus c, and the second one is y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. I can use any equation to find the equation of this straight line. First, I need to find the gradient of the line passing through these 2 points. So I will first start with the formula for the gradient. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and then I will write this is my x1, this is my y1, this is my x2, this is my y2. I will simply replace my y2 and y1, x2 and x1 with the values given here. My y2 is -2 and my y1 is 3, and then my x2 is 7 and my x1 is 2. So that's how I substitute the values. Then I will simplify them. -2 and -3 will give me -5. 7 minus 2 will give me 5. So when I cancel -5 by 5, I will get -1. So the gradient of the line passing through these two coordinates is -1. We know that whenever the gradient of a line is negative, the line goes down from left to right. Okay, now I will just pick any equation and substitute the gradient, and I will just take any one coordinate to find the equation of a line. For this time I will be using my first equation. So that is y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and my c is the y intercept. Okay, now let's substitute the values. Y equals, my gradient is -1, and suppose I have chosen this coordinate, so my x value is 2 and my c I need to find, and I will replace my y with 3. So then I will replace my y with 3, and then I will further simplify. -1 times 2 will remain -2 plus c. Then I will bring this -2 to my left side, will become 3 plus 2 equals to c. So I know my c will become +5, and then I will substitute my m and c to get the equation of the line. Y equals -1x plus 5, or I can simply write y equals x plus 5 with the negative sign here. And this is the equation of the line passing through these two coordinates. Okay, in our second example, sometimes they give you the gradient. So that is m equals, let's suppose, 2 upon 3, and they also give you the coordinate. In this case, what do? We use the second equation of the line And the second equation is y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1, where my x1 is negative 7 and my y1 is 5 and my m is 2 upon 3. I will substitute these values. Y minus y1 is 5, my m is 2 upon 3, and my x1 is negative 7. So that's going to be okay. And then I can shift this 3 here, and this is going to multiply with y minus 5. This will become 3y minus 15 equals 2x. 2 times x will remain 2x. Negative into negative is positive 7. 2 times positive 7 will give me positive 14. And then I will shift my negative 15 to my right. I have 3y equals 2x plus 14 plus 15. So my 3y equals 2x plus 29, and 3, which is multiplying with y, when I bring it to my right side, it will divide. So I can say y is equals to 2x plus 29 upon 3, or I can write y equals 2 upon 3x plus 29 upon 3. And this is how I calculate the linear equation when they have given me the gradient and a coordinate. Okay, so our next example is linear equation. Calculate the equation of the straight line parallel to the line y equals 5x minus 4 and passing through negative 1 comma negative 2. Because we are trying to find the parallel line equation, so the gradient of this line and the gradient of the parallel line will be same. So in this case we know that the gradient of this line is 5. So I will write m equals 5 and the coordinate given to me is negative 1 comma negative 2. So this is my x1, this is my y1. I will be using the equation y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. Let's substitute the values. Y minus my y1 value is negative 2, that I will write it here. My m is 5 and my x is negative 1. So in this case I will be writing minus 1 within the bracket, and then I will simplify this. When I open this bracket, this will become y plus 2, because minus times minus will give me plus, and then 5 I will copy as it is, and this will become x minus times minus is plus and 1, and then I will remove the bracket. So y plus 2 equals 5x plus 5, and then I will shift my 2 to the right side. So this will become y equals 5x plus 5, and this plus 2, when I bring it to my right side, will become minus 2. Y equals 5x plus 3. When I simplify 5 with my plus 5 and minus 2, I will get plus 3. So this is the equation of the straight line, which is parallel to this line and passing through negative 1 comma negative 2. So I can see that they both have the same gradient, and when the lines have the same gradient, they pass from a different y-intercept, but they have the same gradient. Okay.